In front of me is OnePlus 13R, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to hit Accessibility and Convenience. Now scroll again to access one-handed mode, and if you are using Tricky's navigation, after tapping on this switcher next to one-handed mode to activate it, you will need to switch your navigations to gestures in order to even use this mode. To do it here, select Settings, tap on Gestures, tap on Cancel or Learn in the pop-up, go back, click on the same switcher and follow all of those instructions to use one-handed mode. You can go back by swiping up or clicking on this area at the top. You can disable one-handed mode completely by using the same now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!